Finally, it's raining. Yesterday I came out and I planted my seeds in my prepared ground. And I went inside because it was supposed to rain last night. I was counting on the rain. The rain would water my seeds and it would allow them to grow. So if I were going to capture the word rain in one word, in this instance, I would say it's nourishment. It's a kind of food to help the plants grow. But rain is more than that to me. Rain is a memory. It's a memory at camp when I would sit. Everybody else in the cabin was asleep, and then it would start raining, and the rain would hit the tin roof, and I would just sit there and listen to the pattering, and I would listen to it hit the dry leaves outside on the ground. That's a memory. But what is it right now? In our program, nature writing, nature journaling, we're going to spend this week and maybe next week writing one-liners. We're going to listen. Rain is pattering. It's hitting me. I'm standing in the rain, so it's moist. It's wet. It is refreshment because it's July 9th in Mississippi, and I guarantee you this is one of the hottest places to be on July 9th normally. But today the rain is cooling me. It's cooling my garden. It's watering. There are a lot of things that make a writer, that make a painter. Part of it is memory, and in November is National Memoir Month, and I will do a memoir writing workshop then. But right now we're in the moment. We're describing what is happening right this second. Be in the moment. In that way, observation is a kind of meditation. I have gotten in a habit because I am very concerned about this country, and I'm not going to go into a political thing because I will go in and never get out. That is noise. Politics is noise. Unfortunately, well, I'm not going to do it. I'm just not going to do it. Rain is a sound. There's a difference in a noise and a sound. Listen. Pat, pat. Rhythmic. Like a monotone, but not a beat, beat, beat. Bone by bone. Writing down the bones, bird by bird. One of the books that I'm going to study with the group is Writing Down the Bones by Natalie Goldberg. And part of writing down the bones is to listen, to hear them, to feel them, moisturizing your skin and drips running down. That's what the rain is doing to me right now. It's cooling me. It's refreshing me. I'm thankful for the rain. But why? I need to write that.